Well guys, finally we have our guest of honor Karan, who's working as a cabin steward on Cordilla Cruises. Now he's gonna give us a little brief about if anyone wants to join Cordilla Cruises or any cruise ship, what exactly a cabin steward job on a cruise ship. So first thing I'm going to ask him, what is your qualification or what is the qualification required to work as a cabin steward or in a housekeeping? Just a qualification, education.
Okay, my qualification is graduate first and done hotel management also.
Okay, so his qualification is graduate plus he has done a hotel management. What if a person does not have this kind of a qualification? Can he work on a cruise ship?
Yes, he can. He have a good experience in the five-star hotel. As a practically, then he will give the interview.
And what will be the education qualification then?
10+2.
10 plus 2 or 10 is sufficient enough to work on a cruise ship. How many years of experience required?
Like 3-year experience.
At least 2 to 3 years experience required to work on a cruise ship. Now what is the starting position they start from?
As a public area, like
Position. What is, like your position is cabin steward. What is the starting position?
hotel housekeeping attendant.
Hotel housekeeping attendant is the starting position you want to work on a cruise ship. Now what is the next promotion from hotel?
Then hotel assistant steward.
Hotel assistant steward. He can get it, and this promotion happens in how many years? How many contracts?
Depend on the work and the progress.
But still, how much?
Maybe 2 contract, then after that.
Okay, at least you require 2 contract to get a promotion. Now what is the starting salary if they want to start from? Starting salary for them, not yours.
Okay.
Up to anything below 1,000 or above 1,000?
No. Below 5.
Okay, it will be below $1,000. Now, very important question, guys. What is your work duties?
My work duties as a cabin steward, and in the morning I will all the passenger cabin need to clean.
All the passenger cabin you need to clean. The cabin which is allotted to you.
Yes. 20
After-
cabin.
Okay.
Then need to sanitize all the cabin.
Sanitize all the cabins.
Yeah. Clean all the cabins. Change all the beds, making the beds, cleaning the toilet, vacuuming, dusting, all.
Okay. So all these, if you have worked in a hotel line or if you have worked in 5-star, anything, so when you set up a new cabin for a new passenger or you clean, is the same kind of a job, right?
Yes.
All right, nothing special,
But,
it's the same.
have we need to follow the safety is very important in the onboard, and sanitizing, and need to done the STCW course also.
Okay, so safety we need to follow. Safety is upper most important, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And sanitizing
Also because of the COVID thing.
Yeah, and need to attend the PPA system, like PPA system.
What is that?
That is personal protective equipment,
Personal protective equipment.
like gloves for safety, hygiene.
Okay.
That is
So basically we have to follow all the protocol. He have to follow all the protocol if he wants to work. If he is working as a cabin steward or a cabin attendant in a passenger area. So you have some idea about it, how to apply. Now tell me, which is the agency you got recruited from so people can apply there?
Rohi Global.
Rohi Global is the agency. What I'll do, I'll just search on an internet, I'll put the website address. If you have that kind of a qualification, please go ahead and apply for the job. And the best part is that Cordilla Cruises is coming with a new ships, so there will be more opportunity to work on a Cordilla Cruises. So you can take this opportunity, and many thanks to Mr. Karan. So he has helped us like what exactly is a qualification and like a work he does on a cruise ship, so you can get some experience and idea about it. All right, so I will see you in my another video. Thank you. Bye bye.